Christine Lee Production presents Phylogeny of Money. This is a phylogenetic tree of money. A phylogenetic tree is a graphical representation of the evolutionary relationships among a group of organisms, or in this case, between money. In this video, we will go over how this tree was made. Although you typically look at the degrees of similarities or differences in DNA sequences of OTUs, which stands for Operational Taxonomic Units, this phylogenetic tree was created by looking at the phenotypes of the items to group them instead. The phenotypes of the items were shape, material, color, and value. Coins are round and made out of metals. Color was used to differentiate between the penny, which is the only copper-colored coin, and the other three coins, which are silver. The dime and a quarter evolved from the nickel because they are silver and higher in value, both 10 and 25 cents respectively. Banknotes are rectangular and made out of cotton and linen. Banknotes evolved 3 times based on an increase in value from $1 to $5 to $10 to $20. The outgroup of this phylogenetic tree is gold. The outgroup is a distinctly related organism that roots the tree. As a result, this phylogenetic tree is an example of a rooted tree. A rooted tree is when one internal node represents a common ancestor to all other nodes on the tree. This is not an example of an unrooted tree. Since the lineage is split instead of changing within the evolutionary lineage, cladogenesis is taking place in this phylogenetic tree instead of anagenesis. The points where the branches split are the nodes and represent the common ancestors that existed before divergence took place. The horizontal lines which tell evolutionary time are short for the penny and the nickel, so that means that this node is the most recent common ancestor. So to summarize, since gold was used as currency by our ancestors in the past, gold is the oldest common ancestor, or the outgroup. Money has evolved from gold to our current currency system, which is in the form of coins and banknotes, that has further evolved into cards and electronic payments but was not mentioned. Money, like other organisms, has evolved over time and can also be represented via a phylogenetic tree.